Hey guys, David here, and in this video we'll be covering functions. Functions are essentially groups of code that perform a specific task. They are generally named relating to what they do, and that name is then used to call the function. Head over to the playground. There are a few types of functions. Firstly, there is one with no return values or parameters. This means it receives no arguments and returns no values. It simply performs a task. So we define it like this: function name, pair of brackets, curly brackets. Code placed inside here will run every time the function is called. There are also functions which have parameters. This means they accept an input known as an argument. You define this within the brackets next to the function name. In this case, let's add our variable name, let's say number, then colon, and its type, integer. Now this function needs to have an input every time it is called. Let's just add print line number inside. Now to call the function, we simply write its name followed by brackets. Since it needs an input of type integer, we need to insert an integer within the brackets. If we insert 4, you can see it prints out 4. A function can also have a return value. Let's create another function, call it hello. Make it have the parameter of name, which is of type string. Now to declare a return value, you use what is called a return arrow. This is just a hyphen followed by a right angle bracket. Here you just state the type of variable you wish to be returning. So in the function we can say return quotation mark hello space close quotation marks and add in your input, so name. Now we can try call this function, so write its name and insert a string into the brackets. If we say John, you can see it returns the phrase hello John. It's important to remember that you can have multiple inputs and return values, which are simply separated by commas when declaring them. Alright, that is it for now. Thanks for watching.